Hi, Paul here from prwilsonmedia. Today I want to show you in Facebook Ads Manager the Audience Insights feature, just to give you an idea of how you can start to plan your campaigns and think about creating customized audiences to really target the people you want to reach. Here's a demo. So first you need to launch Ads Manager, so log in as yourself, go to the drop down and select Manage Ads. Click on the three bars that say Facebook Ads, and there you have Audience Insights. So your choices here are everybody on Facebook, people specifically who've liked your page, or their friends of people who've liked the page, and these are the kind of ones you can target through boost posts. But then you can create custom audiences, very much more detailed targeting, and also you can use these custom audiences to include people who've visited your website, people who've signed up to an email list, and this is where the Facebook pixel come in, and I'll talk about that in other videos. But this, what I wanted to do is just show you the custom audience data. It's great overall pool of information. So we start by default, the location is set to the whole of the United States, so you can see there's a potential audience of 200 million people monthly. You can see the split of female and male and the main age groups that are represented. So 25 to 34 still the predominant age group. And you can look through all sorts of other data, like which pages are the most popular. There's a food related ones there. Locations and who's in what particular city. Activity. What devices they use, the breakdown of a particular household and their typical incomes, size of households. So this is obviously quite broad categories, and then the purchasing habits. So what are the most popular items bought? Quite low actually for kids products there, that stands out. Food and drink. If you're in the food and drink business, you're definitely in the right marketplace there. Okay, and obviously you can change the age range, so it's 18 to any. So if you went to specifically the 18 to 24-year-old, if that's your target audience, then you can start to zoom in. Only 30 to 35 million people reach there. If you just say female only, then 15 to 20 million. And you can see how you start to narrow down. So let's add an additional location. So we just click on the drop down. And you can do region or city. We're going to do United Kingdom. It's a little bit more familiar to me. So I'm going to say United Kingdom. And then I'm going to say London. Let's say that. That's an additional region. Yeah, so basically you had to remove the entry for the other country that was listed there. So now we've got UK and London only. So we've got 800,000 people. We can look at some of the demographics again. I've selected that age range, so let's go back to a wider age range. 18 to 31 to 30. Male and female, and you can see, sorry, I'll say all, makes it easy. So you can see how easy it is to get specifically to the target. We've not even looked at the particular interest. So if we look at interest in fitness and wellness, let's say bodybuilding, and then we can get the breakdown. The 250 to 300,000 people. And if we change it from just London to the whole of the UK, how that varies. And you can just type in more interest from different categories as you go. Under Advanced, you click at Behaviours, kind of things they're interested in. Digital activities, what operating system they use, how they access Facebook, all kinds of things. So I would recommend, before you start to run any ad campaigns, if you're looking to go beyond just the sort of boosted posts, have a look at this data. There's lots of a real goldmine of information available to you, right down to the individual town, possibly even village where you're located. You can really get specific. That's it from me. I'm Paul from Wilson Media, your social media personal trainer. Cheers.